Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you 2 ways you can finish your speaker cabinets. The methods here will only be used on parts of the cabinets, but you could use the same methods to finish the whole speaker. Or you could do what we did and blend the 2 together. The first method will be using vinyl wrap, and the second will be using ExoHyde speaker coating, both of which are available on partsexpress.com. So let's get started. Lay out your vinyl wrap with weights on it for at least 20 minutes or more so that it doesn't roll up when you go to use it later. And here's a quick tip you can do while you're waiting those 20 minutes. Spray paint edges that could possibly not receive a finish. Depending on how you finish, parts of the enclosure might pop through, so the paint provides a sneaky visual cover-up. If need be, make sure your enclosure is sanded well before applying any vinyl wrap, as you will be able to see warps, dings, bumps, and things like that. When using vinyl wrap, start with the top and bottom panels first. Cut a piece of vinyl slightly larger than the panel you'll be covering. Peel off the backing and carefully place into position, overlapping the edges. Work out any air bubbles by starting in the middle of the panel and working out to the edges. Then make sure all of the edges are firmly secured. A roller works best, but you could use a soft cloth or even your hands for this. And this is good practice for the larger panels later. You'll need a sharp razor blade, so here's a tip. Here's a quick and easy way to safely dispose of a used blade. Set your enclosure on a flat surface and cut as close to the edge as possible. You could even do it this way. But when it comes to the bigger pieces, proceed very carefully through this process. Move slow and straight as you secure and press out the air bubbles. And don't forget to cut out any enclosure holes. Now once you're all finished, cut the edges like you did for the tops and bottoms earlier. Now let's show you how to apply ExoHyde. If you're going to put it on in combination with another finish, tape off any areas you don't want to paint. Grab your ExoHyde and roll it on, thick and even. It's easy to spread and you should only need 1 coat, but feel free to use 2 if you want. Once it's dry, peel off the painter's tape and then you can add your hardware to the speaker. And that's it. Hopefully this helps you understand the process, so when you're ready, you'll have a good idea on how it's done. For other finishing techniques, make sure you check out the Parts Express YouTube channel.